All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I decided to jump on Amazon and buy me these camera protectors. I just was thinking of, I've been laying my phone this way a lot more, and I said I'm just gonna buy me a set of camera protectors, and I found these for like $4, man. Now they're not the real fancy name brand ones from like Rink or anything like that, but they in fact should work just about the same, I hope. And for $4, I was like, well, if they don't work, I'll just lose $4. But let's see how they come in the packaging. Okay, so they do come in a situation where, oh, this is a removal tool, by the way. Nothing else in the package right there. Yeah. I'll put a link to these down below, but you get some stuff in here. It's a cleaning kit. Okay, control me. Let's see what's in here. So yeah, the usual suspects. The wet wipe so I can clean it off, make sure the camera is extremely clean. Then I hit it with this one, then hit it with this one. But let's go ahead and clean this off. Here they are. I went with burgundy. Looks a little magenta, but it's supposed to be burgundy. I didn't want to get basic black, so I just said, well, I'll spice it up with something like this. So it's gonna seat on like so, and you just take the frame off afterwards. So let's go ahead and clean it up. Quick. Yeah, $5 or whatever it costs, $4 or something like that. I was like, I'll just get a color here. They have a bunch of different colors too, so if you want to, they have the basics like silver and gold and stuff like that. So if you decide that's what you want to do, yeah, you can hit that link below. Support your man Jay. Those are affiliate links from Amazon, but it's like $5. So try them out, man. I think these are probably going to work pretty good though. I don't think these are going to be bad at all. I mean, because it's just a camera protector. You just have to make sure that you clean this thing really well, or you will have obstructed view when you're taking photos and things like that. So I like to make sure I hit it real good. Check it out. Yep, it is completely clean on there. I hit it several more times. I like that they have it like this, so you can just drop it on and press it down. Just make sure you keep this facing down when you're putting something like this on. That way you don't attract any more dust. And you just drop it on. So you go according to your phone. And then make sure you choose the right device. Always give it a little firm press. I get it on there? Oh, this came off. I was like, whoa, it's crooked. Okay, that's good. So they went on good. They went on nice. I'm just pressing it down. That burgundy looks pretty cool now that I have it. And you do have a removal tool, so keep this handy right here. If you decide to pop these off, you just put it under here and boom, pop it up. So I always give them like another once over with the wet wipe, pressing it down firmly as well. Like so. And then I'll hit it again right here. Making sure it's clean. Yeah, it is clean in there. It looks really good. And these should be case friendly. I'll try them with some cases. You know, the cases that have the cutouts. I've got some cases with the cutouts, so we'll see how that works out. But there it is, man. Looks like it was $4 spent very well, man. But I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, Jay, well, how does it look with photos and videos? So let me give you a sample and we'll close out. All right, guys, so there you have it, man. Photos look really good. I feel it's different. I like it a lot. So it'll look really good. I'll put like my brown leather case on, either one of those. But I love this case right here. This is like the top dog case for me. So anyway, there it is, man. Camera protectors are on and looking pretty smooth. Over camera, they look a little magenta though. But hey, it is what it is.